Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all this amazing super easy festive Indian festive makeup look. It's going to be very easy, everyone can achieve it. So let's get started. So here I'm using my Studio Fix concealer by MAC and I am using this brush by PAC. I'm going to mention all the links and everything in the description box down below so you can check it out. So I'm using the shade NC45 in Studio Fix concealer in MAC. This conceals, it has full coverage and it conceals all your imperfections, all your like acne scars and your dark circles. It has got a little orange tone to it, so it conceals your dark circles also very easily. So I'm applying it all over my face wherever I feel that I have dark spots, and I'm going to blend it out using a beauty blender. I have dampened the beauty blender and I'm using it to blend out the concealer. Next, I'm going to use this Infallible Pro Matte Foundation by L'Oreal. I'm in the shade 108. So again, I'm going to apply it using a brush and I'm going to blend it out using a beauty blender. This foundation is super matte finish and it immediately dries up, so you have to be quick in blending this foundation. But this gives such nice coverage, such full coverage. This is one of my most favorite foundations. I would highly recommend this to everyone. If you have dry skin, just apply a little bit of moisturizer before applying this foundation and you'll be good to go. Next, I'm going to use this Fit Me Compact by Maybelline. I am in the shade Sun Beige in this. So I'm just going to apply it under my under eye area, on my forehead. Wherever I've applied concealer, I'm just going to pack the product, the concealer and the foundation nicely with this compact so it doesn't move from its place and my makeup stays intact for a longer period of time. Next, I'm going to just highlight my eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil. This is by Miss Claire. This is a very beginner friendly eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. All the links and all the product links and description is mentioned in the description box down below, so you can check it out. And I'm just going to comb my eyebrows a bit and give it nice shape. Next, I'm going to use this it's Sivana Colors blush palette. So I'm going to use the bronzer, highlighter and blush from the same palette. So there is one bronzer shade in this. So I'm just going to use it on my temples, on my cheeks and also on my jawline to give a nice cut and shape to my jawline. You see the cut that it has given to my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the blush, this shade. This is a very beautiful pink shade from this palette. I love this one and this goes with almost everything, so I always reach out for this shade only. And this palette is very budget friendly, guys. I'm surely going to leave a link for you guys so you can check it out. I had got it only for around 450 bucks, I guess, and that is like amazing. You get so many shade options. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter from the same palette and I'm going to highlight my high points. This is super simple look, anybody can achieve. Even the beginners who have not done makeup ever can go for this look, can try out this look, and it looks super natural and just so beautiful. Next, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette. This is their Rose Gold Remastered palette. You can use any of the eyeshadow palettes that you have. Just go for baby pink and mauve shades for your eyeshadows. These shades generally go with most of your outfits and most of the colors, so I'm going to keep it very neutral and subtle and very pink tone. So yeah, this is the mauvish pink shade that I have applied. Now next, I'm going to apply this darker pink. and I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to blend it using this blending brush by ProArte. I'm also going to apply the same shade on the waterline. Same I'm going to repeat on the other eye, and I'm again going to apply the same shade on my waterline. Next, I'm going to take the shimmery shade and I'm going to apply it using my fingers only. I mean, Huda Beauty eyeshadows apply very beautifully when you apply it with fingers. So I always apply these shimmer shades with my fingers, and it has got such amazing pigmentation, and you'll fall in love with this palette. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal eyeliner, and this is in the shade black. So this is my cult favorite eyeliner. I always reach out for this one. I hardly use any other eyeliner, so this is very easy to use, very beginner friendly, and it is very, like, precise and very crisp. So I really like that about this one. And this one is quite budget friendly eyeliner, so you can give it a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So I'm going to draw the same winged eyeliner on my other eye also. Next, I'm going to use this mascara by Maybelline. This is their Falsy Push-Up Drama Mascara. It's a washable one. I always go for washable mascaras because then it doesn't strip off your eyelashes when you remove with your makeup remover. So very frequently I use this only. Hardly I use the waterproof mascara. Next, I'm going to use this lipstick. This is my all-time favorite lipstick. I mean the shade and the lipstick. So this is by Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Flush It Red. So I am going to mix two lipsticks together to achieve the shade that I want. So first I'm going to apply this one. This is super matte lipstick, and it doesn't move from its place once it is applied, whether you eat food, whether you do anything, and this is just amazing, perfect for your daily makeup routine. Next, I'm going to use the L'Oreal liquid lipstick. This is their signature liquid lipstick, Rouge Signature, and it's in the shade I Choose. So I'm just going to apply it on top of this previous shade so that it tones down that shade a bit, and the shade that I want is achieved. And voila, this is the final look, guys. I am just loving the way it has turned out. This is so natural and so beautiful. Definitely give this look a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed, and this look you can pull off with your Indian outfits as well as your Western outfits, especially abhi festive season hai, to definitely give this a try. It will go with most of your outfits, be it any color. So yeah guys, with that I end my video here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Till then, bye.